One question that I'm frequently asked is, what's the difference between all these standardized tests that kids have to take? Well, we've got the PSAT and the SAT, the ACT, the PLAN, and the SAT-2 subject tests. The PSAT and the SAT would go together. The PSAT is a practice version of the SAT. So it's shorter. Instead of being 3.5, 4 hours long, it's about 2.5 hours long. But the content that's being tested is virtually identical. They have sentence completion, reading comprehension, basic math skills, and grammar skills. One thing the SAT has that the PSAT does not have is an essay. So that's the difference between those two. The ACT is another test which is used for college admissions. And the ACT has 4 sections. It's got an English section, a math section, a reading section, and a science section. And just like the SAT, kids can submit their SATs or ACT scores for admissions purposes. The one that's a little bit weird is the SAT-2 subject tests. As a rule of thumb, you probably don't have to take the subject tests unless you're applying to some of the more competitive colleges or universities. And the PLAN, which is the last one, is simply the precursor to the ACT. So the PSAT and the PLAN test will give you an idea of how you'd perform on the SAT and ACT respectively. So you may want to take a look at those scores before you decide which of the tests you want to take for college admissions.